Why this is important today is here in Indiana, the watershed where we're at is about 50% of the farm ground is farmed by somebody that doesn't actually own it. And so today we're shepherding a conversation between landowners and farmers about conservation outcomes. What's something we can all better do together collectively? The takeaway I'd like everybody to go from here today with is, what's that one thing that they can talk about with their farmer of an improvement that they can make to their ag land that they own? It could be anywhere along that spectrum of, they could just be contemplating what could they do with conservation. They may be a long-term adopter already of conservation and are looking for one additional step, one additional practice, one additional outcome that they can do with their farmer. So TNC is behind this event because we've learned for one of our main goals is how do we conserve the lands and water in which all life depends, and how nature and humans can thrive together. And if we're not engaged in conversations with agriculture, we're not going to be successful, especially when looking at the landscape across the Midwest. How can we be proactively working with landowners, private landowners, and farmers and agriculture for improved outcomes?